Is your appliance repair business ready for voice search? Hi, this is Marlon from the Appliance Experts, and today I want to discuss voice search technology. So, this is the early stage of AI, or what's known as artificial intelligence. Now, you may already use your phone to speak into it when responding to a text message versus actually typing it in. And that's what we're pretty much talking about. Other examples of voice search technology impacting our industry is pretty much with Alexa. You may have an Alexa device at home. There's the Google Home device. There's Cortana if you have a Windows PC. And then if you have the iPhone, there's, the introduction of Siri for a few years now. So this is pretty much what we're talking about, and it's picking up popularity, and this is why we wanted to write a little bit more about it, because we want to keep appliance repair companies on the cutting edge of technology, because these are the things that will give you a competitive advantage. So we wrote an article here to help you to optimize your appliance repair marketing campaigns for voice search. Now this is just different, or it's slightly different, I should say, from optimizing your website for regular SEO. All right, so you need to be aware of different things. Like, for example, Siri pulls information to deliver voice search results from different sources than the Alexa device or the Google Home device. Anyway, check out the article. Hope you found this information useful. And it's a great time to start to get your appliance repair company ready for voice search to have a competitive advantage in your local service area. If you're watching this on YouTube, you'll see the link to the article over on our website below. Again, this is Marlon. Hope you find this information useful.